All right, language explorers, let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verbs. So dive into. Dive into. Yeah, dive into. I want to dive into the water. So to jump into something, and get started. Get started. Whether water, ocean, water, swimming pool, or work, or otherwise, other stuff. I will dive into these lessons. I need to dive into the videos and begin recording. Like jumping straight into it, just go. Not waiting around, gently. No, just go. I just dove right into Scotland. Yeah, just dove straight in. I need to dive right into the journey. Just dive right into it. I want to climb Snowdonia, climb a mountain. I will dive right into it. Just dive. Just go. Don't think, just dive. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, just dive straight into it. So, don't dive into the task. Wait a few minutes and then dive into it. Wait a few minutes for things to settle and for clarity. Then dive into it. Just wait first, and then dive into it and get started. Go. Just wait. They want me to dive right into it. When I am ready, I will dive into the work. Yeah. When I have finished my other tasks for the day, I then dive into my recordings. When I finished all the other tasks, then I dive into the recording. I go straight into it. No waiting, no gently, just straight into it. Just get started. Go. I didn't dive into the project. No, I did not understand why they just dived right into it, because it made little sense. I don't understand it. Why'd they dive right in? Makes no sense. Wait a while, or learn, do research, and then get into it. Just wait. They are diving into the deep end of the ocean, the water, the swimming pool. Yeah, can you dive into the deep end? Dive into the deep end of the water, not the shallow, the deep end. Yeah. I always dive into the water. Yes. Very fun. How cool is that? Yeah. Easy. How cool is that? So, I should dive into my work tomorrow. So tomorrow, anytime really. So tomorrow I need to dive into an important task. Just get it done and over with. It needs to be completed. It needs to be done. That's it. Yeah. But I'll dive. First thing, I'll dive into it. No thinking, no waiting, no preparing. Just go. No waiting, no thinking, and no preparing. I will just dive right into it. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Very good. Dive. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. So dive into. So can you use dive into in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.